Good morning, welcome to Ainsley News. It's Monday, the 16th of November. Today we're talking Indian demand for gold and gold loans, especially as last week was Diwali. Friday was a busy day in store as our Indian customers and their friends bought gold for the annual Diwali festival. We hope all enjoyed the celebrations and thank you for your business. The Indian love affair with gold is not new news. This is a centuries-old appreciation for gold, not just as money, but also a culturally significant symbol for good fortune and status. Until China embarked on its massive gold buyout from 2013, India was the world's biggest consumer of gold. As the second biggest import after oil, the government was watching helplessly as their currency escaped in exchange for real money, gold, and put layers of restrictions in place to stem the flow. A country of 1.4 billion people who all aspire to gold ownership will always be a big force in the gold market regardless. World demand is influenced by the success of the monsoon season in India, which dictates the amount of gold being bought from the proceeds of that year's crop. Indian households are estimated to hold 25,000 tonne of gold officially, and likely much higher in the black market or undeclared gold. That so-called black market gold came to the fore when the Indian government outlawed around 86% of the cash notes in circulation in 2016. Gold became, again, a medium of exchange from that cash ban. An estimated 2/3 of gold's demand comes from the rural areas that live outside the banking and tax system, relying heavily on gold. This next chart we're going to show you illustrates gold's stellar performance over the last 10, 5, and spectacularly over the last couple of years, and also year to date. This chart here is showing positive returns of 10% in the last decade, outperforming other key asset classes. And this from the World Gold Council. Gold is a prominent feature in India's investment landscape. Our market research indicates that as of Q3 2019, 52% of investors already owned some form of gold, with 48% having invested in 12 months preceding Q3 2019. The average Indian household holds 84% of its wealth in real estate and other physical goods, 11% in gold, and the rest 5% in financial assets. Dependence of rural households in physical assets such as gold has been a result of not just the love of gold, but also of poor banking penetration. Indeed, if you check out this next chart, percentage of household expenditure on gold has been rising solidly to a now incredible mid-20s%. Impressive there, urban sitting at 23.4 and rural at 25.6. Financial year 15 data shown there. However, it's not just a store or growth of wealth that gold is shining in India, but also as collateral to access cash flow and working capital. The World Gold Council last week released a report on the surge of gold loans in India. Pledging gold as collateral to meet financial needs has been an ever-present feature of the Indian gold market. Indian households use gold to meet their financial needs for health, education, and marriage, while small businesses use them for their working capital requirements. Demand for gold loans, both through banks and non-banking financial company, or NBFC, has grown in response to the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. As a result, outstanding organised gold loan is expected to grow to Indian rupee 4,051 billion, or US 55.2 billion, in financial year 2021, from an Indian rupee 3,448 billion, or US 47 billion, up 4 billion from the previous year. While the growth of these NBFCs has been incredible, check out this next chart will show you, you will note that the percentage of the total organised gold loan market, the banks are growing too, and as of August, in response to the stresses of the pandemic, have increased their loan to value to an incredible high 90% until March next year, which will no doubt increase this further. Here's that chart there. And one thing is for certain, 1.4 billion people understanding gold's role as real money and as real hard assets can't be ignored. Well, that's news for today, guys. Enjoy your day. Remember ainsleyBullion.com.au for all things physical, Ainsley Wealth for all things cryptocurrency, and check out our gold and silver cryptocurrency built and backed by Ainsley Bullion and stored at Reserve Vault, goldsilverstandard.com. Enjoy. We'll catch you tomorrow.